Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I want to show you how to control who follows you on X. Okay, so that's pretty simple. You have to make your account private, and if your account private, you can manage your followers. So let me show you step by step how you can do that. Open X and tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen to open the side menu. Now you have to scroll down to settings and privacy, and as you can see, your settings are divided into different sections. You need to go to section privacy and safety, and now select section audience and tagging, and at the very top of your screen you should see this option that is called protect your posts. So this is basically the feature that is responsible for making your account private. So let's turn this on, and from the moment that you make your account private, anyone new on X who wants to follow you, they must send you follower request. Let me show you how to see that page. You need to tap your profile picture once again, and as you can see here in this menu, you have different sections. You go to follower requests, and from here you can manage your new followers on X. You can either accept them or decline them. So that's basically it. That's how you can control who follows you on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.